dimensional shape. Circle have two dimensional figure, and formula of circle is actually x minus h plus y minus k whole square, where h and k actually these are the midpoints. Yeah, point of center. Yeah, central point. Circle having central point h and k. Central point h and k. Point on a line. So what we have equation for circle? Equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. The circle equation, where h and k these are central point. For example, uh, if center lie on origin, for example, if we consider this circle and their center points are at origin. For example, these are actually the center. H and K 0, 0. So then how we can write the equation? So then we can write the equation x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 also whole square equal to r square. So this means that x square plus y square equal to r square. Let's suppose central points are given and we have equation like this one. You have circle diagram like this one, that we have circle and central points are actually 2 and 4. So how we can write the equation of circle having central point 2 and 4? So we have x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to r square. This is central equation for circle. Sorry, equation of a circle having central points 2 and 4. Okay, now for example, we are given central point 7 and minus 3. This one is actually the main equation, the standard equation of circle, with having h and k center, the central point. When points of central points are 7 and 3, so how we can write the equation? We can write x minus first value 7 whole square plus next one y minus, and value is minus 3, so separately minus 3 whole square equal to what? R square. So we have x minus 7 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to r square. How we can draw the equation? Yeah, diagram of this x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, and these central points are given. Central point x is 7 and y is actually minus 3. So first of all we need to draw the xy coordinates. Now we know that central is 7 and minus 3. So 7, x is positive, y is negative. So which quadrant? Actually this one is fourth quadrant, where x is uh, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's suppose 6, and this one is 7. 7. What about the y value? So y value is minus 3. So write down we have minus 1, then minus 2, and then minus. Let's suppose this one, minus 3. So join these 2 points and this point, this central point. Now you can draw the circle. Circle will be in the, we don't know about the radius, so we will draw just the circle. Correct? So now equation for this one is x minus 7 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to r square. If we know these points, points on the boundary, any 2 points. Let's suppose we have here point like minus 3. Yeah, let's suppose minus, let's suppose this one is 1 and 4, any point. So then we can find the radius. Just putting the value of x and y in this equation. Points are given 1, 4. So then 1 plus, 1 minus 7 whole square plus y is 4. So 4 plus 3 whole square equal to r square. So 1 minus 7 is actually minus 6 whole square. 4 plus 3 equal to 7 whole square equal to r square. So we have 36 plus 7 is 49 equal to r square. Adding these two equal to what? Equal to 85. So 85 equal to r square. So taking square root on both sides, r is equal to what? It will be like 9 point something. 9.0 something is the radius of a circle. So in this case, in this way, you can find the radius if central points are given and also all other points are given. Okay, one next thing. For example, same equation of circle is given and also 2 points are given like x value given and y value given. X and y value. Let's suppose 2 and 5 given. So you need to find that are these points lie inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circumference of a circle. We know the circle and we also know that radius of a circle, you can see here, radius of a circle, let's suppose equal to 4 square. 4 square means 16. This is the radius value. Points are given, let's suppose we don't know, these are inside or outside, 2 and 5. So how to prove that these points lie outside or these points lie inside or these points lie on the circumference of a circle. So we have equation, this equation x minus 7 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 4 square. 4 square. If this side, let's suppose if this side is A and this side equal to B. If A is greater than B, this means that point lie outside. Point outside. If A is actually less than B, so points are actually inside. And both are equal, A is equal to B, so then point lie on the circle, on circumference or on the circle. Correct? Right side greater, so points are outside because greater than radius. If, for example, points are inside, so right side will be less than radius, let's suppose. And if equal, so on the circumference of a circle. Now in this case, points are given 2 and 4. So we have this equation. So write down equation, but replace x with 2 and 5, xy with 2 and 5. Let me write first equation, x minus 7 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to r square is equal to 4 square. So what is x? X is equal to 2. So 2 minus 7 whole square plus y is actually 5 plus 3 whole square equal to 16 or 4 square. So 2 minus 7, 2 minus 7 is minus 5 whole square and 5 plus 3 is actually 8 square, so equal to 16. Minus 5 square, let me write here, so minus 5 square is 25 plus 8 square is 64 equal to 16. So you can see this side is greater than 16, not equal to 16. So this means that these points are outside the circumference of a circle, yeah, outside the great 89 is correct. Clear guys? If let's suppose in this equation, this one equal to 15. So one side is 15, second side is 16. So this means that these points lie inside the circle. If both are equal, 16 equal to 16 means that these points lie on the circumference of a circle. Okay, clear guys? Any question? I already uploaded, if you check book and some exercise example, so you can check. Okay, clear. Now tell me this one. This is last example. Equation is given x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square equal to 4, and points are given 2 and 1. So tell me, are these points lie inside the circle or outside the circle? Yes, I'm waiting. And this one is actually uh, okay, Wali. Thank you. Equal Uzair. So hey Ahmadi outside. Inna lillahi. Why? Okay, on the surface. Saeed Anwar.